Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I got this SLG items like more than 2 weeks ago, but it just got delivered today, so I'm really excited to see how it is. I have not seen the item in person, so this is like an unboxing as well as a first impressions video. So if you're interested to see what I got, do stay tuned. So let's get to the unboxing. As you can see, I've already opened the top flap because on the other side is my address and information. So this is a pretty small box which houses a very cute SLG that I've been eyeing for some time. So let's just go ahead, yeah. So, oh, look at that. So it's nicely packaged with the ribbon and the gift tag, and then you have the receipt over here. So let's check out the receipt first. So this time the envelope comes in a slightly different format. You just open it up like that, and then you have the receipt here. And oh, I put a message for myself which just says, "You go girl, XOXO." I know it's just silly. And then you have the exchanges and returns, and then you have the thank you for shopping card. So that's about it for the receipt. And then this is the item itself. I'm just going to open it because I'm so excited to see how it looks like. It looks so amazing on online, as well as, you know, the YouTube videos that I've been watching. So okay, can you guess what it is? It's so thin and tiny and so cute. So okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, so I got the Louis Vuitton card holder in monogram canvas with the fuchsia lining. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay. Look at that. Wait. Hang on. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but I think it looks slightly off center, like the logos here. It's flush to the left side. So yeah, it is. Is it not? This side is fine. This side is perfect. Oh man. Okay, wait, let me just take a look inside. Okay, so we have the stamp there. I don't know if you can see it, but it says made in Spain. And you have the text here. So if the stamping is there, which means this is the front of the card holder, which is the side which is off center. So, and this is the back. Oh man, that's disappointing. I don't know. I love my things to be symmetrical because I am quite OCD, so I like that, you know, things are centered and, you know, everything is symmetrical. So I don't know what to feel about this, but okay, let us just take a look at the card holder itself. Overall, I think it's beautiful. The stitching is fine. There's no like yeah, except for the stitching here, which is the back. Okay, so that's the item that I bought. I can't help but feel slightly disappointed that it's not as perfect that I was hoping it would be. Maybe I can use this side as the front instead of the front as the front, but it seems that the stitching here is it kind of shows that, you know, this is not the front of the card holder. Let's look for the date code. Okay, I know the date code is somewhere in front. Let me see. Okay, I think I saw it, but I'll need my flashlight. The date code is somewhere at this corner. Don't know if you can see it. I don't want to stretch it out. I can't see it through the viewfinder, but I can see it here. So okay, it's CA 2250. So it's made in the 25th week of 2020, which is, I think, quite recent, probably in June. Let me just share a bit more as to why I decided to get this space. So I noticed that this piece was available online like 2 weeks ago, and then I was intrigued because it's so cute, and I know that it's quite a popular piece but also quite elusive to get. So I just decided to get it, you know. And I also wanted to get this to put in my essential cards, because I have been using my key pouch as a card holder of sorts, and you see it's pretty stretched out, so I wanted to just give this a rest. So I was thinking to hold my credit card here and my debit as well as my driver's license, but I don't know, I'm still, yeah, I'm still thinking if I should keep it or not. But okay, let me just go through the card holder itself. So it has two slots here. Okay, so there's one at the side and one at this side, and then you have one large slot over here, and it's made of 2 pieces of coated canvas. So it's in the monogram canvas. There's one in front and one at the back, the perfect one and the not so perfect one. And it measures 4.3 inches across with a height of 2.8 inches. It's made of the cowhide leather lining. So let me just smell it. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells so beautiful. I wish it looked as perfect as it smelled. I'm just trying to figure out if I should keep it. Honestly, to me, it's not a defect. It's just a personal preference that I wanted something which is scented. So I know myself, I won't be able to live with this because I will always obsess that it's not scented. And yeah, it's so nice. So my dilemma is, if I were to get this exchanged, I'm not even sure if the store, I have a store nearby in Yorkdale Mall, I'm not even sure if the store even has this piece in store. Yeah, I'm going to text my SA and then see if he has any, and if he does, great, I'm going to do an exchange. But if not, I'm just going to do a return of this gorgeous item. I'm so sad. I am so disappointed. I hope you still enjoyed this video. I know I'm whiny, extra whiny today, but I still hope you enjoyed it somehow. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I would really appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel. Anyway, I hope you guys will stay safe, and yeah, take care of yourself. See you guys in my next video. Bye.